What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Unplugged. Today's topic of the day is the Microsoft Arc mouse.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the Microsoft Arc mouse. This mouse is supposed to be similar to the Magic Mouse that Apple has in terms of some of the functions that you're able to do. Now, right out the gate here, let's take a look at the box. Got Microsoft branding on the side here. Bluetooth rack technology. Nothing there, just some icons, blank. Bottom, it tells you about some stuff. The top, that's what the mouse looks like. Let's see what the bottom says. Uses alkaline batteries, they're included. Ultra portable mouse that curves to turn on and flattens to turn off, and features a touch scroll plane to easily navigate up and down or side to side with either hand. Compatible with Windows 10. So I already cut the tape here, but I haven't looked inside, so let's see what's inside. So right off the bat, you can see that I opted for the pink version because this is going to be for my girl, actually. So nice mouse. Inside the box, see what else we got here. Got some instructions, it looks like. And I don't think there's anything under there. I'll throw the box to the side. All right, you get a piece of paper with registration number. Get Microsoft support, all the instructions, and you get a warranty product regulatory guide. So that's what the mouse looks like side by side. You can see a traditional mouse is a little shorter. This one's a little longer. On the side, you can see how thin this is compared to a regular mouse. And then on the bottom, very similar. Looks like a battery compartment is here. Let's see. Yeah, so you got two AAA batteries. They're giving you Duracells, it looks like. So that's good batteries. And you got your little sensor. You got your Bluetooth connectivity right there. Now, to turn this on, there is no physical button. Sort of like this one, you have a physical button on and off. This one, that's on and that's off. So that's pretty cool. It does hold its shape, it feels like, and this is how you use the mouse. So from the side, it's gonna look like that. And I've heard people say that they rather have this a little bit longer. To be honest, I don't have the longest of hands or fingers, so this is perfect for me. I actually like that, and you can see the light is on, the blue light there flashing, and flattened, and it turns off. So we'll check this out and see what it looks like. But one of the cool features is it's just this one big button, but it obviously has a left click and a right click depending on which side you hit. But you can actually scroll. You can scroll up and down, so there's no wheel, sort of like, you know, old school. We're used to this wheel, right? This is all digital, so it's going to be able to, it's like a trackpad mouse combined. It's going to be scrolling up and down on a web pages this way. And then one of the other cool features you can do is you can actually side swipe and go between pages. So really nice mouse from Microsoft, but right out the box, it's pretty nice. This cost me 60 bucks. Shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.